Welcome everyone, today we're drawing cute cartoon mistletoe. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page, draw 3 circles for the berries. We're going to start with the one at the very top in the middle, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's go to the bottom left side and draw another circle, going all the way around, and then up, and then we'll add one more on the right side. Let's place a leaf in behind each berry, starting from the very top, going up, and then out. Come down to the bottom left, go out and then down. And they'll move over and do the same thing on the right. Now on the outside of each stem, we're going to add 3 curves. Let's start from the tip. Going across and then up. Round this out. And then pull this in on top of the berry. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's repeat that across the bottom, starting with the top, and then the bottom. Let's do that one more time. Now we're going to add a funny face inside each of the berries. Let's start from the very top with 2 circles for the eyes. Draw a straight line for the mouth. Round at the bottom. Let's add the teeth across the top and a curve for the tongue. And we'll fill the inside in black. Now let's go to the bottom left. We're going to close the eyes with 2 curves. Move to the center with the mouth. And we'll add the face on the right. Let's sign an art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon drawing of mistletoe. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.